Have you ever come across different animated videos that could be in form of art, YouTube videos, educational videos, and then become curious how these videos are created? Well, in this video, I'll share with you step by step how you can convert a simple text or paragraph into an eye-catching animated video. And apart from the fact that you can do this for free, the cool part is that you can also convert these animated videos to several languages. So after watching this video, you'll be able to create your own animated videos like this one.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 incredible AI tools that can revolutionize your everyday side hustle. These tools are specifically designed to assist you in boosting your productivity, streamlining processes, and ultimately taking your side hustle to the next level. So let's get started.
So depending on the type of animated video you would like to create, whether that's for presentation, advertising, YouTube videos, we will need to first generate our script. And I know a very cool AI tool to use apart from the very popular ChatGPT, and that's this AI tool called Covert. Well, this AI tool enables anyone to create or generate unique and creative content for various purposes. And for us to use this tool, we'll need to sign up and create an account. The link is in the description box below, so just go ahead and click on it and it will take you directly to the site. Now let's get started by clicking on Start Writing for free. Enter your details here and create account. Now that we are on Covert dashboard, let's say for example, we intend to generate an animated video to advertise a product. We can go ahead and click here on Explainer Video Script, enter all these details and generate the script. And if it is for a script to create an animated video for a YouTube channel, let's simply click here on Why to Script Creation. Next, let's enter our video title. And for that, I would like to enter the title, let's say list 5 AI tools for everyday side hustle. You can go ahead to type a few descriptions and some points you would like to cover in the video and click create content. As you can see, our script has been successfully generated. Now let's move on to the next step, which is to convert our script into animated video. And to do that, we are going to use this AI tool called Stevie.ai. To be able to use this tool, we will first need to sign up and create an account on Stevie.ai. The link will be in the description box below. So let's simply click sign up for free and enter our details, and it will take you to the dashboard. So here on the dashboard, you can see different options like text to video, template, text to animation, and the rest. So let's click on text to animation. So up here you can see where it says you can create your animated videos in English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish language. But we'll come back to that later in the video. But for now, let's add our script that we generated from Covert. So let's quickly go back to Covert and copy our generated script starting from here where it says the introduction. So let's go ahead, paste it here, and you can see that our script has been converted to different scene. And if you click here, you'll be able to add or delete some scene. So let's go ahead and add the rest of the script by going back to Covert, copy, and paste all the scripts here. Add your type of video here and click next. So here we'll need to select the design template for our video from these different designs. You can click on it and see which one is suitable for your brand or for your video. So I'm going to choose this one here. Next, we can do a whole lot from changing the colors, the text grid. You can also decide to move this up or down depending on what you want. We can also decide to change the character, and to do that, just click here, click on change character, and you can see there are lots of free and paid characters to choose from. So I'll choose this one right here. So how about if we don't like the action in any of this scene? Well, we'll just go ahead and click here on change action, and here are different options to choose from. So let's just click on it and it will be applied to the video. So when we're done tweaking it to what we have in mind, so the next step is for us to add a voice to our almost finished animated video. The first step is to click here where it shows voiceover. And here we have two options where you can simply record your own voice, or the second option is to use an AI voice. So let's go for an AI voice. And from choosing this AI voice, here you can choose your preferred accent, the gender, and choose from the range of voices available. And if I go ahead to click here, we will be able to hear the preview of the voice selected. So since this is perfect for what we need, so let's go ahead and generate the voice and continue, and it will be added to the video. Another thing is, if you like to add a music to your animated video, and to achieve this, let's just click on music right here, and here are a lot of musics to choose from, and you can click on it and listen to the preview to know which one better suits your video. And when you're cool with it, click on it and it will be applied to the video. And once you're happy with everything in the video, let's click on publish. Next, let's click on download. And now we have our video downloaded to our computer. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we made.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 incredible AI tools that can revolutionize your everyday side hustle. These tools are specifically designed to assist you in boosting your productivity, streamlining processes, and ultimately taking your side hustle to the next level. So let's get started.
So Stevie.ai has a free version where you only get to create 3 videos per month, but then the free version comes with a watermark. But if you would like to enjoy some upgraded features, you might as well want to upgrade to other plans, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in our next one.